The main aim of this project is to address a major and still unmet concern in medicine. And the project deals with the development of novel biomaterials that are able to address the two major limitations that we currently have in the field of implantology, which are, in the first place, an incomplete integration of the biomaterial of the medical implant when it's inserted in the body. This material needs to be integrated within the tissues of the host, and sometimes this integration is not optimal. This is the first problem we want to address. And the second problem is the emergence of bacterial infections on the surface of the biomaterial. Classical strategies have commonly tried to address either one problem or the other, but they have so far failed to address both problems at the same time. So Biotune is trying to develop new strategies that are able to achieve these two objectives at the same time. The project Biotune is integrated by a consortium of 10 partners across the globe in Europe, Asia, and America. These partners have all the required expertise to achieve the goals of the project, but they combine different expertise and knowledge in a multidisciplinary approach, combining physics, biology, medicine, or engineering. We are aiming to do this basically following three pillars. The first one is to study and understand the way that cells and bacteria interact with the surface of a material. This knowledge will then help us to develop new strategies that can be used to fine-tune the way that cells and bacteria respond to a surface. And to do this, we will be inspired by nature. We have many examples in nature of processes that help in the regeneration of tissue or that can somehow inhibit bacterial colonization. Finally, and very important, in Biotune, we also want to assess the capacity to transfer these results from the lab to the market, so having finally an impact in our society. In this way, we could, for example, in the long term, have new dental implants or orthopedic implants that will have higher rates of success and avoid the necessity of having surgeries or other associated problems.
As a part of the Biotune, I have been doing a 3-month research stay in Argentina, where I have been working in the fabrication of sensors that allow to study the response of the bacteria in the presence of this molecule and without this molecule.